What is up, YouTube? Listen, before we jump into this video, I need y'all to do two things for me. Number one, I need y'all to go ahead and like this video. And number two, I need y'all to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. I'm gonna give y'all a second to do that. Okay, so y'all already did that? Alright, so let's jump into the video. So for those of you that don't know, I have been attending Roadmaster in Dunn, North Carolina to get my CDLs. So in this video, I'm gonna try to give y'all the best review on this school that I can, to my opinions, to my personal experience. So let's get into it. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick and simple as I can, and I'm gonna try not to confuse y'all and get lost in me trying to remember everything, because I did try to write some little, well, type some notes so I could just follow that, but I'm about to just freestyle it. So first, I want to talk about the people that are in the front office, the people that recruit you, the people that you first talk to before you even get there. I worked with Scott. Scott is amazing. He is patient. He is humble. So after you reach out to Roadmaster, they'll set you up for like a little interview, not like a job interview, but like a walkthrough of the school, try to explain stuff. When I did my walkthrough, they gave me a tour of the facility, showed me the classroom, showed me the break-in area, the backing pad, and all the trucks they had. And also they went over the scheduling. The schedule is, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's like you're working a job, a full-time job, and not getting paid, because you have to be there at 7:30. And not just be there, you have to clock in at 7:30. And you leave at 5:30. You have to clock out at 5:30. You can't be late, especially within your first week. You cannot be late. That is very crucial. I don't care if it's a minute or whatever. It's just like a job. You can't be late. There's no tardy. If you do plan on, like, have something planned, it's best that you tell them ahead of time. And if you have to be out of school, you better have an excuse. I mean, like a written excuse, something that's gonna actually back you up for why you wasn't there at school. So anyway, I'm not trying to get too much into that. Yeah, the schedule is from 7:30 to 5:30. You get 3 breaks. You get 2 15-minute breaks, and you get an hour lunch. Listen, that hour lunch is breathtaking. You really have time to sit back, gather your thoughts, gather your mind, you know, step away from school, because like I said, it's just like a job. You're doing the same thing every day. Some days you're gonna want to quit. Some days you're gonna feel like, yeah, I got this. And it's just some days it's gonna be like, yo, what's wrong with my head? So whenever that hour break comes, it really gives you a chance to reset. But anyway, on to the next thing. So now, after you finish your process and you enroll in school, you're gonna have to apply for a loan, and that's gonna be a hard pull on your credit. I really hated that. They're gonna let you know if you're financed for the whole fee to cover your school, or if not, you're gonna have to have like a co-signer, or you're gonna have to pay some money down. I can't remember how much it was, but I think it came up to like $10,000. That is ridiculous. So now I just found the email with the loan fees. I'm gonna pop it right up there on the screen for y'all. As you can see, the total loan amount is $6,995. Interest rate at 18%. The finance charge is $3,000. So yeah, it equaled up to $10,000. And my credit is not bad credit. Now, because the school is owned by Warner, they do offer reimbursement. So if you go with Warner, they will cover your little loan part, but you don't have to go with Warner. Remember that, y'all. You do not have to go with Warner. There are other companies that will cover your reimbursement for schools. Now, if you sign to Warner, they have company reimbursement. The reimbursement is $200 to $250 now. They have an option where you can have that to your check, or you can have that to go automatically to your loan. That's what he told me. That's the notes that he wrote on the back of my paper, so if I'm lying behind Scott. But yeah, this is the paper right here. Yeah. This is the paper right here with all of the out-of-pocket fees, all the additional expenses. What else? Oh, the instructors. The instructors are the people that's teaching you your backing skills, teaching you your road skills. All of them are amazing. Everyone that I work with are amazing. I don't work with all the instructors. Yeah, I don't want to call them out name by name because I don't know how they feel about that. But if you are watching this video and y'all taught me something, listen, I appreciate all of y'all because everything was helpful. All of them teach the same thing. They'll say that they teach it in the same way, but it's not exactly the same way. But either way it go, you're learning something from each instructor. And all the instructors, they made me feel like, you know, they was actually there for the students and not just there for an easy check. They are very patient. They are very brave because their life is in your hands, especially when you out on the road. Because I don't want to get on that. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. But yeah, when you out on the road or in that truck and they're in the truck with you, or even if they're standing outside of the truck trying to help you back, their life is in your hand. And that's a lot of trust there. So I got to give it up to them. They got a lot of patience because everybody be messing up. They could teach you something and you got it right then, and then they tell you to do it again and you don't get it right. They don't make you feel like you stupid or nothing like that. I mean, you're learning. They still make you feel like you can do it, if I'm making sense. But yeah, shout out to all the instructors out there. Y'all are amazing. I learned something from every one of y'all. Now, I want to talk about the people that are in the office. Not talking about the ones that bring in the students, but I'm talking about the ones who do the day-to-day planning. Me personally, I don't feel like their day-to-day planning is very fitting for the student needs because they're not outside or on the road looking at what you need. They're just in there on the board writing down, okay, I'm gonna put her there, I'm gonna put him there, and then, you know, after lunch, I'm going to switch them around, put them there. So for like an example, before lunch, if you're on straight backing, after lunch, they might put you on offset. But it's like a lot of people still need more time to get the straight backing down before they get into an offset. So it's like, why are you moving them around whenever they can't even actually straight back? If y'all get what I'm saying, like, they move people around whenever they're not ready to be moved. Like, they should really give people more time on one task before they move them to another task, because it's a lot to learn. All of this is new. It doesn't matter if you the best driver in the world in a car. Whenever it comes to driving a truck with a trailer, everything is very different. I really feel like the people that does the day-to-day planning should really be out there, or ask the instructors, hey, do you feel like this person got straight backing before I put them in offset? Or do this person got offset before I put them in alley dock? Like that. So people that's doing the day-to-day schedule, y'all need to work on that. Y'all need to, you know, be out there more. Look at what's going on. Ask the instructors, hey, you know, how's this person doing? How's that person doing? Or actually ask the student, hey, do you think you're ready to go the parallel, or you think you ready to go to offset or whatever? But you know, for those y'all that don't know what I'm talking about, if you plan on going to school, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So next, equipment. They have a lot of trucks. There are a lot of trucks out there now. They ain't new. They're not new. They're all used trucks, but I mean, I wouldn't expect them to be training us in no new trucks because we don't know what we doing. So if we mess something up, oh well, it's not a big deal. But heads up, if you want to learn manual, they do not offer any manuals at the school right now, today that I'm making this video. It is December the 17th, 2022. So if you're watching this video later on down the road and they do have manuals, don't come back on here telling me you lied, because today is December the 17th, 2022, and they do not have manuals. Now, I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. This video probably won't get posted until 2023. So yeah, I don't want to confuse nobody because I'm actually still in school. I'm just going ahead getting my videos ready. But anyway, not to get off subject. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I did not want to make this a long video. I just wanted to just give y'all overall review on the school and how I feel about it. Now, my next videos, I will be breaking down week by week of what to expect. Every week is something different, especially your first week is very crucial. I will be going over that in my next video. So if you're planning on getting your CDLs, the best advice I can give you is study the CDL prep test app. All the questions that was on my permit test, it was inside the app. So every question that I came across was a question that I came across in the app. It helps. They got the air brakes, they got the combination, you know, they got the general knowledge, tanker. I did all of that. If you can do that before school, go ahead and do that. But don't do it too far ahead of school because your permit do expire. But try to have your permit before you go to school. But if you don't, I mean, they'll give you a day to get your permit, but it's best to just go ahead and have it, get it out the way. So hopefully y'all like this video. Like I said, I will be doing about 4 more videos on this, breaking down the week by week things to expect at school and everything that we did during the whole time at school. So y'all just stay tuned throughout my channel. I will be dropping the other video next week. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see y'all on the next video.